My hair has never felt better. If you're struggling with dry, brittle, breaking hair, I promise carrot oil is the solution for you. And I'm not talking about the carrot oil you find at the beauty supply store that has all of these ingredients except for actual carrots. I'm talking about fresh homemade carrot oil with just 2 simple ingredients. And I promise this will have your hair thick, shiny, and flourishing before you know it. So stay tuned. Carrots are only a tasty root vegetable, but carrots are so amazing to add to your skincare and your hair care routine. If you're struggling with dry, brittle, dull, lifeless hair, then you need to probably add some carrots to your routine. Carrots are packed with many vitamins such as vitamin A and E and beta-carotene, which help nourishes the scalp and promote faster, healthier hair growth. Adding carrot oil to your hair care routine would definitely help the hair grow faster, thicker, and stronger. And it also conditions the hair, making it softer, shinier, and less frizzy. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make carrot oil from scratch at home, and it's so easy to make, and this can be used for your hair and your skin. To start off, all you're going to need is 2 large carrots that are freshly washed. Make sure you remove all of that dirt. You can use 3 medium-sized carrots, but I'm just going to use 2 large carrots. And you're just going to go ahead and chop that and skin it. You don't necessarily have to skin it, and I kind of realized that once I start skinning it, like, what's the point? Because the skin is just as nutritious as the rest of the carrot. But this is going to help extract the vitamins and everything out of these carrots much quicker. So I'm going to go ahead and shred these carrots up in my food processor. But you can go ahead and use a cheese shredder or just finely chop it. I just find it easier to use a food processor. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this extra virgin coconut oil that is 100% organic. And I'm going to go ahead and add 3 to 4 large scoops of this coconut oil to a very low heated pan. Coconut oil melts down very quickly, so I didn't have to turn the heat up too high. And plus, when you add your carrots, you don't want to cook the carrots. You just want to slowly start to extract all of those good vitamins and properties out of the carrots. So as you can see, I'm just scooping my carrots and simply adding that into the warm coconut oil. I posted this video on my Instagram and right here on YouTube, and I seen many people in the comments asking, can they use a different oil rather than coconut oil? And the answer is absolutely yes. You can use whatever oil works best for your hair. I love coconut oil. My hair loves coconut oil, so that's what I prefer to use. So now I'm going to go ahead and let this coconut oil and carrots simmer together nicely for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. And guys, don't turn up the heat. Just let it do its thing. Let that oil heat up and extract all of those good properties out of these carrots, guys. And when you see your carrots start to shrink in size and turn this beautiful golden burnt orange color, that's when you know it's time to strain. And I make sure to strain my carrots while it is still very warm. It just makes this process much easier. If you wait for it to settle and cool, coconut oil does start to thicken. So straining it while it was still warm just makes it much easier. And then I'm going to double strain to make sure there's no carrot pieces in my oil. So I'm just using a cheesecloth and straining that into my mason jar. And then I'm also adding that extra carrot pulp and squeezing that out just to get all of that excess oil. You want to make sure you're getting all of that goodness. And now we have some homemade carrot oil, and I like to store this in an airtight mason jar just to make sure it lasts longer. Carrot oil can last up to 2 weeks when refrigerated. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and my hair has been feeling so dry lately, so I made sure to use a moisturizing shampoo. I went in with the Care Curl Essence Moisturizing Shampoo with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil, and I also paired that with the moisturizing conditioner. And guys, this moisturizing shampoo and conditioner combo always leaves my hair feeling so soft and just not brittle. You know how you get that brittle, dry feeling after you shampoo? This shampoo and conditioner just doesn't do that. Like, you could literally see the shine in my hair. And this is my hair with absolutely no product at all. And my hair just feels so soft and like moisturized with nothing in it. And it smells so good. Like, look how poofy my hair just look, it feels clean and it feels moisturized, and that's what I like. And I made sure to detangle my hair before I shampoo just to make the styling process much easier, and I don't have to worry about combing my hair out. So I'm always working in sections because it just helps me evenly distribute any product. So first I'm just going to spray my hair down with water because it did dry a little bit, and once that water is sprayed throughout my hair, I'm going to go in with the Care Curl Essence Moisturizing Cocoa Water. And this also has Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil in it, and I love this stuff. It's so lightweight but adds a nice little moisture to your hair before you go ahead and add your product. So now we're going to go ahead and take our beautiful carrot oil, guys. I went ahead and add some carrot oil into this applicator bottle. It just makes the process so much easier to apply it straight to my scalp and to the lengths of my hair. And carrot oil is so beneficial for the scalp, so make sure you're applying that directly to your scalp. Now I'm going to go in with this Care Curl Essence Moisturizing Curling Cream with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. And guys, let me tell you, this stuff smells so good and it has so much slip. Every time I use this, my fingers and my brush just simply glides through my hair. And it also defines your curls so beautifully without putting that hard white cast on it. It leaves my hair super soft. And look how beautiful my curls look, nice and moisturized. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that process throughout my hair. And carrot oil is rich in vitamins A and vitamin E and beta-carotene, and that nourishes the scalp and promote faster, healthier hair growth. So make sure you're applying that directly to your scalp and really giving yourself a nice scalp massage. And guys, this oil can also be used as a hot oil treatment where you just put it on and simply sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes and let them hair follicles open up and drink up all of that good nutritious carrot oil, and then go ahead and wash it out. As you can see, I'm adding a generous amount because my hair literally eats up anything I use. Like, my hair is so dry, guys. My skin is also very dry. I just always had dry hair and dry skin. I don't have like flaky scalp or anything, but my hair is like naturally dry, guys. So I love to keep my hair overly moisturized because in the next day or two it will look like I never added anything to my hair. So this works for me. You know, you can use as much as you want or as little as you want. And I'm making sure to focus on my scalp, the lengths of my hair, and the ends of my hair. The ends are the oldest part of your hair, so they're usually the thirstiest. So you want to make sure you're showing your ends a lot of TLC, guys. And now I'm finally on my last section. So I'm just repeating that same process, adding my water, my cocoa water, my carrot oil, and then a little bit of the curl defining cream, and using my brush to define my curls. So now I'm going to go on with this Carrot Care wax stick, and I love to use this wax stick to do my edges and to help tame any flyaways. This stuff smells so good, and I love how you could just twist it and it comes out, and it's so convenient. You could literally just throw this in your purse and just have it on the go. But my hair is pretty much styled now, guys, and look how moisturized my curls look. My curls are so soft and bouncy, so I'm going to go ahead and let my hair dry and I'll be back. So my hair is pretty much dry. It's a few hours later, but I'm going to go ahead and fluff my curls out a little bit more just to create some volume in my hair and break my curls apart. But guys, this carrot oil literally leaves my hair feeling so moisturized and so soft, and has my hair growing so thick and beautifully. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Mwah.